to Saffron's Beauty Unboxings. Today I'm going to be unboxing my Christmas Advent Calendar. I'm going to do day 1 today. The Advent Calendar I got it from Amazon for like around $30. It's a W7 Beauty Blast Reloaded. There's the box right there. A little sneak peek of what's in there. Showing a little bit of it, so I won't spoil it. I think this is like a brand you can get like at Five Below, because I've gotten some primer at Five Below that's called W7. It's 24 karat prime, and I really love it. It makes foundation go on really easy. The only thing, just use a little bit of it, not too much, because it's a little bit greasy. The formula's a little bit greasy, but if you use a touch of it, it really helps smooth out your foundation and stuff, or helps apply it easier, and it kind of gives you a little dewy glow. I really like it. It's my favorite primer. So let's start on day 1. Day 1, right there. It's right there. Okay. Looks like it will be something. Let's see. Get it open. Well, I don't know what happened to day 1. Like it slid somewhere. Look. Okay. What the heck? May have found it. Well, I'm gonna grab out whatever first comes out. Slides around in here. I can get it out. Come on. Day 1 is a pair of tweezers. They look pretty nice. The little plastic thing off. I guess that's okay for day 1, but like it's all sliding around in here. That's the first one I grabbed out. So day 1 we got some tweezers. It's okay. We'll see what the next day brings, but it looks like it's kind of sliding around in there. But when I get to day 2, I'm just going to grab whatever comes out. But thank you for watching. Please stay tuned for day 2. Please subscribe and like this channel. Thank you. Thank you for watching. Goodbye. You have a great day. See you the next day.